this is Rashmi and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna be talking about products that I have received from Everteen. You heard me right, so there are no books, no motivational talk, nothing like that, which bores you. I know sometimes it is boring, right? Anyways, so today it's all about those products which are for women hygiene. Yes. So for guys, it's gonna be a bit boring, but trust me, if you watch it, I'm sure the knowledge will be very helpful for you as well to share it with your girlfriend. You can impress her with your wife and mother or anyone who is your friend or like that. So girls and guys, keep watching this video till the end. Let's start. Hey people. ओके आप सब सोच रहे हैं रश्मि अभी क्या कर रही थी यार योगा डे पास में आ रहा है तो आई एम प्रिपेयरिंग माई सेल्फ फॉर इट कम ऑन एंड गर्ल्स योगा डे के साथ साथ आपके पीरियड्स भी आ रहे होंगे यू मस्ट बी वंडरिंग ना कि इस टाइम तो मैंने सोचा था अब मैंने सब सीख लिया है कोरोना जैसे पेंडेमिक टाइम में तो मुझे तो योगा करना है एंड मैं नहीं कर सकती बिकॉज मेरे पीरियड्स आ रहे हैं आई एम हैविंग वन ब्यूटिफुल सॉल्यूशन फॉर इट गर्ल्स यू नो व्हाट I'll show you. Menstrual cup. Yes, menstrual cup is very much easy to use and it is very comfy as well. I have started trying it and I think I would suggest just go for it. And वो हसल जो होती है वो जो हेडेक होता है हर 4 घंटे में पैड चेंज करना है and that thing that you will get panic of like in our daily life. You will get rid of that. Yes, because you don't have to worry for 12 hours and at the same time this can be used right, if you wash it properly you can use it for so long time. So I would suggest go for it and get the change on this yoga day. Another product that I'm gonna be talking about is हम ज्यादा बात नहीं करते उस बारे में. I don't know why. It's about intimate wash. You heard me right. Intimate wash is such a sensitive topic that not everyone wants to talk about it, but I really felt that I should come forward and talk about it. I have received some product from Everteen and they are having really cool range for all the girls for all age groups. So let me share that and I'm sure you will make that change and inculcate that things in your daily life. Apart from that, let me clear one more thing. Tell me girls, our whole body pH level is 5.5 and vaginal is 3.8 to 4.5. So how can you use the same body wash for the whole body? That's the change you need to make. I'm having some products which goes like, these 2 products are in my hand. Well, it belongs to for mom age group and this is for teens. As you can see, these are 100% actives, okay, natural actives. Then soap, SLS is free. These are some chemicals that this is like free of, suitable for all skin types. And this is the natural intimate wash. Anyone can use this and if people want to have some other version of it, so they have introduced foam as well. So in short, you are having 4 categories that you can use and make it best out of it according to your age group. So do check that out, these products. I'm going to be linking it down below, so do check that out. Waxing, oh my god, no, I so hate that, and it's such a nightmare. Isn't it so relatable? Well, I so hate waxing, and wait. I'm not talking about the full body waxing, girls. I am talking about bikini line waxing. Yes, so whenever we are going to parlor and we feel like sometimes it's very a shy moment, right, to get it done there. But what if we replace it with one cream that is very much helpful and you don't have to go to parlor? Let me show you. So it is a cream that is being introduced by Everteen and this is for bikini line hair removal. It is the best cream I think I have found till date and all you have to do is just apply and remove it. So it's very much easy to use, and there is no any hair smell, no skin darkening, no bumps, no razor cuts. Girls, do check this out and start using. Pretty easy, no? Pores and marks are such a headache and nightmare anyone is having. So I'm having one beautiful solution, and you know what? It's very simple. All you have to do is take that product in your hand and apply it over your face, or maybe wherever you are having marks and pores. So, अच्छा बता रही हूँ. This is this product. Yes guys, the name itself shows a lot. Pores and marks. So you can have it, and all you have to do is take a drop of it, apply it all over your face or marks, and simply keep it like that. Even if you are going outside, you can use it as your sunscreen, and it is going to show you really amazing effects. Make sure that you are applying twice a day, and you know what? Just get it and enjoy. Enjoy the beautiful glowing skin. Faster healing for all hair related issues, prevents hair fall and scalp issues, and promotes hair growth. What else you want? The best part is, all you have to do is give your 15 minutes. Yes, just take the oil in your hand, apply it on your scalp and massage it thoroughly. That's it. Let me show you the product. It's called as Chonk oil. Yes, it is made up of leech oil. Well, it is been very much useful. It's an ancient therapy, guys. Do check that out. Guys, as I have said, I'm gonna be tagging all the products down below in description, so do check that out, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and have loads of fun. Love.